Phrase versus Copy.ai. Which AI software has better content summarization features? Let's dive into this comparison and see which one truly stands out in terms of content summarization. Now, if you've been researching content summarization tools, you've probably come across both Phrase and Copy.ai. Both claim to offer strong AI powered solutions, but when it comes to summarizing your content effectively, there's a lot more nuance than you might expect. Stick around, because by the end, I'll tell you which one I recommend, and it's not just a matter of choosing between two similar options. First off, let's talk about Phrase. Phrase is built around helping content creators and marketers generate high quality content quickly. Its content summarization tool uses AI to pull out key points from long form content and deliver concise summaries. One thing I like about Phrase is how easy it is to integrate it into your content workflow. It's designed with SEO in mind, so if you're looking to create summaries that capture the essence of a piece while still maintaining the SEO value, Phrase is a solid option. But here's where it can fall short. Phrase sometimes misses a bit of context in the summary. If you're summarizing a complex topic, the summaries can be a bit too brief, leaving out crucial details that would have been valuable for your audience. Next thing, let's look at Copy.ai. Copy.ai has become pretty popular for its versatility across different content formats, and its content summarization is no different. The main advantage of Copy.ai is that it's incredibly user-friendly, with templates that make it easy to generate summaries for various needs. It's great at keeping things simple and understandable for a wide range of audiences. But when we compare it to Phrase, Copy.ai summaries can sometimes feel a bit too generic. It doesn't always capture the nuance of the content you're summarizing, which could be a deal breaker if you're summarizing more in-depth or specialized content. Now, I know what you're thinking. Both these tools have their ups and downs, but how do they stack up against each other when it comes to accuracy and efficiency? The fourth thing I noticed is that Phrase generally excels in accuracy, especially for summarizing articles or blog posts that are tightly structured with clear points. If you're working with content that follows a specific flow, Phrase handles that better. But on the flip side, Copy.ai tends to be faster with its results, and it offers multiple templates that can quickly generate summaries for a variety of content types. When it comes to customization of summaries, Phrase wins by a small margin. You can adjust the summary length and tweak it a bit to get the exact information you need. But Copy.ai offers a more diverse range of options, allowing you to tailor your summary based on whether you want a short recap or a more detailed version. Finally, let's talk about the value for money. Both of these tools offer free trials, which is great if you're just getting started. However, if you're looking for something that scales well with your business or content strategy, you might need to look at the subscription tiers. Phrase's higher tier plans might seem a little expensive, but if you're working with long-form content often, it could justify the cost. Copy.ai, on the other hand, offers good value with its pricing plans, but it's less specialized for content summarization compared to Phrase. In conclusion, Phrase versus Copy.ai. Both tools have their strengths, but based on my experience, if you're looking for content summarization that delivers accuracy and customization for more complex content, Phrase comes out on top. However, if you're after something more general purpose and user-friendly for quick summaries, Copy.ai might be your go-to. But here's the thing, after testing both of these myself, I found a better alternative for content summarization. If you're truly after the best results in this area, check out the free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get access to exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Trust me, it's worth checking out.